V-Log. We got legs today, man, so we about to get in this leg workout, man. Let's get it. So today, man, we're going for 3 sets of 15. Okay, we're gonna go up on every set. All right, let's get it. Man, we're on set number 3 right here, about to go to 225. I probably won't go no heavier than this just because I want to take care of my legs for the long haul. You know what I'm saying? So it ain't all about doing heavy weight, man. Sometimes it's about, you know, taking care of what you got, staying strength, staying agile. Let's go. Last set wasn't no hoe, boy. Yo, I'm not a rapper, I'm not an athlete, baby. I'm an entrepreneur, man. Let's go. Content creator.
Yeah, wait. Just wait. They claim they want beef like I ain't in a teed up. I turn them to vegan, I'm really a creature. She sent me the beacon, I beat it and flee it. They talk like these niggas won't beat me, they can't. I'm somewhat tucked off, I'm laid in the shade and I'm counting mine, still ain't made it. I'm jaded, my latest, my greatest. I ain't ever caving. They see me, I'm him, I'm a gym in the soil. It's about to
Alright, gang, all these right here is freaking leg workout. Alright, probably we about to go ahead and stop on these calves. Hit these calves for a minute, man. So yeah.
And I be who I'm being, solid. Lately I'm pushing the needle forward to the people that knew me and traded sides. I'm up now, don't hit me to make it right. I'm at a dole, I've been taking mines. Get scared of the heights that I'm reaching for. Don't even know what you're reaching towards. Don't even know what you're reaching for. I really went from wearing rags on me to his racks on me. First class, they ain't got a pat on me. Let the chain dangle, bitch, I'm raiding the mainframe. Turn my pain into paint on the canvas. I been a head case, Ben Frank on the right, I get Ben Franklin. Burn 2 ends of the candle. Won't be the first one, get rich in my family. They don't understand me, I used to be nice guy. Till the world told me cold, now my guard up, I'm far. Don't trust nobody, now she never did want me. She talking real naughty now. I ain't sorry, been slept on, they groggy. I'm really bout it, I'm on off the cloud and it's on rally, I'm going off. Had no chances, I do not answer to anybody. Amped up, put my stamp on the canvas, I'm ramped up. Me, my dog, just pretend I do this for life. They just post for the camera, they scrambling, they not me, they rambling. I want me a mansion, I know it's my season, I'm go to the stanza. I'm somewhere turned off, I'm fading and shading, I'm counting mine, still leading, I'm changing my lane, it's my greatest. Solid, lately I'm pushing the needle for us. To the people that know me and trade size. I'm not on me to make it right. I'm letting go, love to take it mine. Scared. They loud in their feelings, they barking these riddles. Already told you, won't find no one realer. I go from me cool to the top of your list. Turn this to a crib and a whip with a tint on it. Phone been on silent, I been on my shit. Whole globe on the fritz, I ball up my fist. Part of my glitz, stick a part of me sick with it like it's 06. Going dumb in the sticks on a bitch real quick. Fresh when I dress, take a look at my stitch. Think I lost my sense. Wood to the neck, I've been acting real different. Know I'm at your neck, I won't loosen my grip. Out in that stress, take a toll on my I've been on deck, let me save my peace, let me talk my Look, I'm so red at the flare, make you squint. I've been on edge, I've been living too quick. I can't get to sleep, knowing it's all in my reach. No, I've been living too fast. Look at my
Vlog. That's it for today's workout, man. Be sure to like, be sure to comment, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a workout, man. Let's go. Should I make a shake for y'all today? I needed 10,000 views on this video. Y'all want to shake right now? And guys, so I just ran out of vanilla protein, sold the rest of it. Got some orders on the way, but today we're gonna have to compensate for the protein. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and use our peach mango protein beverage mix, guys, as an alternative for our vanilla protein that we're out of. So this is gonna make a banana mango type of shake. As you can see, these are the products that we use right here. Alright, man, so we just whipped it up with the banana caramel today and the mango for the banana mango smoothie, man. So I'm gonna let y'all know how it tastes. Got that banana mango on the way. New content, man. Subscribe to my channel. All the way to the top, don't stop or waste one drop. Ooh, I smashed legs today, guys, so I really need this protein back into my body. I was feeling down after that workout. I was feeling weak after that workout, but now with this shape, I'm back in business. Today, bro.
What?
For sure, I just finished. Yeah.
No.
Tough.
Oh.
Hey, you subscribe to the YouTube yet, bro?
Yeah,
Bro, you gotta subscribe. I just dropped a new workout. I'm looking you up right now, Andrew.
you got mine?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You got your own or what?
Yeah. Well, because you're never here. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Bring my own?
Yeah. You got it with you?
Yeah, that's fine. I'll do that.
Okay. Switch it up a little bit.
Do both.
Doing both? Okay, I like that.
You got to give me my strawberry. I don't like the chocolate.
Okay then. Okay.
So just go ahead and get one ordered, and when it comes in, let me know. I'll
Okay.
go ahead and buy it.
Okay, I got you. Got you. Oh, I'm almost out of straw. I got some more. You want a big straw? You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right.
I'm not that hard to please, my friend.
All right. Appreciate you, Andrew, man.
Have a good one.
All right. I'll let you know when I come in. All right. Thank you. Vlog. We tapped in today at the shop, man. So I'm gonna show y'all some behind the scenes. I'll put it right up, my bad. Oh, sorry. Get that right. So YouTube, I'm about to make a new tea for y'all today. It's called the Ocean Breeze, a tea you haven't seen before. So make sure y'all like my channel and subscribe if you haven't already. Y'all also comment below, what do y'all want to see next from our channel? Is it the workouts? Is it the teas, the shakes? Like, what do y'all need? Y'all like the daily vlogs? Also, we dropping videos every day. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Let's get into today's video. All the supplements that we're gonna use is driven by Herbalife Nutrition leader. So I'm gonna show you exactly how we make it right now. I need the energy. Okay, so we can go ahead and get on the tea. We can go ahead and go big today. That's big. Raspberry tea right there. Raspberry tea right here. Just go ahead. Lift off today. Tropical flavor. If you don't have this tropical lift off, go ahead and get that right now. So also, guys, like, usually to break the tablet down quicker, I just go ahead and just like that. And basically what that does, it helps us dissolve a little bit faster. So we're gonna go ahead and add our energy into our tea today. Tropical tea right here, lift off. Add that in there, okay? Make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe, because nobody else is giving y'all these recipes, okay? You're only gonna find them on this channel. So if you don't have a collagen beauty booster, go ahead and get that. Get 1 scoop of it. Dry that in there. All right, guys, we got the cranberry aloe right here. All you need is 1 cupful, so we're just gonna go ahead and pour it up. I'm gonna go ahead and take y'all to the water station right over here. Just like this. Alright, I usually fill it up about 1/4 of the way. Got all our supplements combined right here. It smells very, very good, but this is very powerful and strong, guys. So it's definitely gonna give you the energy you need, get you revitalized. So we're just gonna add in 1 cup full of ice, just like that. Go ahead and just blend it with some water. Hey, good day, Katarina. So we just go ahead and fill it up like this. Dish it off with our blue raspberry right here. Just like that, guys. So there you have it. Again, guys, this is what you call the Ocean Breeze. Okay, YouTube gang. Y'all ready for the taste test of the new Ocean Breeze? Go get these products right now. Oh yeah, that's it, guys. So if you ain't got that, go get those products right now. What products did we use today? That's what we use to make the drink, man. So